A humanities degree from Curtin provides you with the right skills, knowledge and experience that you need to transform your ideas into abilities that can impact your world. At Curtin, we embrace study that investigates and celebrates future possibilities, that understands the crucial relevance of the arts and creative industries. Courses offered by the School of Design and Art encourage emerging artists and designers to find an individual voice and provide them with the skills to channel their distinctive qualities into coherent visual languages in a variety of media. The school has a vibrant community of researchers who are firmly focused on creatively solving real-world problems and engage in cross-disciplinary research. Underpinning our research endeavours are strong partnerships with industry, which result in outcomes that greatly benefit the broader community locally, nationally and globally. With purpose-built studios and workshop facilities, students have the resources to produce finished works across a range of media. You will be able to work on real briefs and develop your portfolio while you study. Our degrees are hands-on, designed to produce graduates who stand out from the crowd and are ready to make their mark.
I chose Curtin because of its reputation.
I think Curtin was right for me because I remember coming in on the open day and seeing all the studios and all the work in the studios, and I felt this was a really exciting environment.
I've done a drawing unit almost every semester. That unit was really successful and just helped me build all these skills that I didn't even know I had.
I really enjoyed the art project units because it's where you basically choose your own project and what you want to do, and you kind of consistently work through it, and you have regular tutorials where you discuss your ideas with other people, and so you listen to other people's ideas and give them feedback and they listen to your ideas.
Curtin had the right facilities for me and offered the best course for me.